welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. I'm in my car right now and I will be heading downstairs to meet my friend at a restaurant called Elephante. It is a very popular restaurant amongst the locals here in Santa Monica. It is 2 blocks from the beach. So the view from the restaurant is supposed to be really nice. I've actually never been. The restaurant opened several years ago, so I'm excited to finally check it out. I have many friends who have recommended this place to me, and I just haven't made it over here. I'm looking forward to having some Italian food tonight and would love for you to join me. This is 2nd Street in Santa Monica, California. It is located in Los Angeles. You can see over there the Pacific Ocean. We are actually as far west as you can go in the United States. My friend rented out the private dining area in the far corner of the restaurant. Here you can seat many guests. In the reflection of the mirror, you can see the Pacific Ocean. The plants and succulents surrounding the table provided a nice touch. Believe it or not, I never come to the beach. When I first moved to Los Angeles, I used to come to the beach quite often. I would ride my bike along the bike path, and I loved to watch the palm trees sway. I was hoping to catch the sunset tonight, but I forgot that in the summer, the sun sets later in the evening. We ordered a lot of food, including this spaghetti and Caesar salad. This salad contains pistachio and toasted seeds. The lettuce is called gem lettuce. To accompany the spaghetti, we also ordered meatballs. We shared the rib-eye steak, which was cooked medium rare. I don't know what it was about this steak, but it was so delicious. I just finished dinner and we had a really nice time, good food, nice conversations, beautiful view as expected, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow because I'm going to another restaurant that I've never been to before. It is called Yangban, which is a Korean Jewish fusion restaurant. That sounds very unique, so I'm looking forward to experiencing the dishes. I'm assuming Korean Jewish food would be something like matzo ball soup with kimchi, something like that. So I guess we'll see tomorrow. We are on our way to a Korean/Jewish restaurant called Yangban. I asked my acupuncturist today, who's Korean, what that meant, and I'm completely blanking on it, so I will have to research it and tell you about it later. Right now, we are sitting in traffic, and I'll show you in just a moment how bad the LA traffic can be. Earlier, I said that the traffic is bad, but actually it's becoming more steady, meaning it's going at a moderate pace. So hopefully we will arrive at the restaurant a little bit earlier than expected. Currently, it says we will be in traffic for 7 more minutes. We are on what's called the 10 freeway, and taking it to the 110. In Los Angeles, we put the word "the" in front of the freeway name. Yangban is the highest social class of the Joseon dynasty. I thought my outfit matched the decor until I realized how pale I was. A few of the items on the menu are classic Korean dishes with a spin to it. I used to eat a lot of sujebi growing up. They kind of look like gnocchi. This is the matzo ball mandu soup. I think the only thing that made it Korean was the mandu, which is Korean dumplings. This dish looked pretty plain, but when I tasted it, it was bursting with flavor. The broth was very flavorful. This was the most high-end banchan I've ever seen. Banchan are Korean side dishes. How cute are the little flowers decorating the kimchi? My husband ordered a highball cocktail, which is whiskey and barley tea with lavender and sparkling water. On the right, we have blue crab tostada. On the left, we have avocado tempura. My mocktail contained watermelon and coconut. The blue crab tostada was incredibly crisp and fresh. I loved the perilla leaves. Lastly, we finished with their house cheesecake, which had a coconut biscuit and coconut cream with local strawberry jam. We saw a baby chef's coat that was framed, and I'd love to know the story about this. It's so cute. The Korean writing on the wall is really cool. One of the lines says, "How can you endure difficult times without someone you love?" As we were leaving the restaurant, we discovered another restaurant across the way called Kodo, which apparently is also a hotel. The contemporary Japanese design is very chic. I found this local katsu restaurant by my house and I wanted to check it out. I think the last time I had katsu was when I was living in Baltimore over 15 years ago. I had it at a Korean food court. I normally don't eat fried food, but this was really worth it. 10 out of 10. We are in West Hollywood at a restaurant called Toca Madera. The vibe in there was really fun. The guacamole was topped with pomegranate seeds. It came with a side of salsa and fried plantain chips. For my main dish, I ordered enchiladas. It came with rice and black beans. Inside the enchilada was carne asada, and it was really tender and juicy. My friend is a big fan of seafood, so she ordered scallops. Overall, we had a great meal, and I had a great week.